Hello and welcome to the Energy Connect studio, COP28. I'm delighted to be joined in the studio by Laura Troconis, General Manager at GOEasyFlow. Laura, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks to you for inviting me.
Now to start off, how does GOEasyFlow work with wireless control technologies and contribute to the global efforts of reducing carbon emissions?
Okay, well, it's not a secret that for all kind of automation, it requires a logistics for operational fields. If you have an automated field, for example, in an oil field industry, you don't need to send the crew to check monitoring the facilities. Our added value in GOEasyFlow is that we can provide those wireless sensors without using a cable. So it will reduce the carbon, the CO2 emissions. For example, for send a crew, you will need a boat, you will need an helicopter. But when you have a wireless solution, you have an automated field, you don't need it. So this one will contribute to the reduction of the carbon emissions. We are the first company in the UAE that provides wireless control capabilities, and the only one we have wireless devices up to 6 kilometers range. This one helps to the companies to optimize the power source, the power use, reduce waste, and optimize their operations.
That's great to hear, Laura. And climate change is impacting lots of communities worldwide. How does GOEasyFlow address social and environmental aspects of bringing in your technology and maybe having a positive impact on the communities?
Yes, it's sadly because the communities are the ones that suffer the climate change. But actually we are not only for oil and gas industry. We are also working on designing new technology for the, especially for the water consumption, for the water distribution networks, for the soil. You can check the soil, you can check the water, you can check the water quality as well. So it's not only for industrial area, it's also for farming. So even you can use our devices by not stopping the productivity. So you can install, you can check, they will see, they will manage efficiently the water in those areas that the water is almost gone, and you can provide and improve this water for the next coming generations.
That's good to hear. And a key component of COP28 has been climate finance. How does GOEasyFlow contribute to mobilizing climate finance, and what are some of your strategies around attracting investment then?
Yes. Well, GOEasyFlow is working on a partnership and collaboration effort, especially in the national oil companies. With the national oil companies, they can provide us to co-develop awareness to reduce the net zero goal that all the NOC has. Unfortunately, this is quite a challenge because this is a new technology compared to the standards and to the old ones. And for example, if you want to offer these solutions, it's not against just as a new technology is difficult. Now they are witnessing that the IoT technology helps them to go to the next way forward. So it's good investment to have them working for this collaboration to continue with the sustainability and eco-friendly environment.
That's great to hear, Laura. And as you mentioned, you're really pushing new wireless control technologies. How do you see GOEasyFlow evolve in the future to support global climate agenda?
Well, GOEasyFlow is always in the innovation to have new technology. We are always in a one step forward. Always every year we're having a new device, new sensor to help for this sustainability for everyone. So this our R&D is actively working, especially nowadays on the to provide a power source more natural, like a solar or hydrogen, instead of the lithium part. So they are actively working on this one, and we are happy to have our R&D team here in the UAE, and we are grateful that the UAE is open to those R&D solutions.
That's great to hear. So you'd say that you're really pushing, innovations to make a more sustainable future.
Yes.
Great, Laura. Well, I really appreciate you coming down to the Energy Connect studio.
Thanks to you.
Thanks everyone for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more studio interviews from COP28 soon.